marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Altamont Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Altamont Sound, Georgia, to Fernandina Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Until 3:15 p.m. and 1:18 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater, 9 nautical miles east of Fernandina Beach, moving east at 35 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, hail and heavy rains. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following marine locations. Waters from Altamont Sound to St. Augustine, out 60 nautical miles.